Okay, the purpose of this video is to show how you can use the Digital Manipulatives Library to be able to teach math. So I'm going to look at the second grade Standard 3 that students will understand simple geometry and measurement concepts as well as collect, represent, and draw conclusions from the data. We'll go down here to objective number 3, and I'll focus on how they can collect, record, organize, display, and interpret numerical data. So now we'll go to nlvm.usu.edu, which is the National Library of Virtual Manipulatives. And because the standard deals with data analysis and probability, we'll click on here for pre-K through 2. And we'll go to the bar chart. Okay, and first of all, I like to look at the instructions and see what we can do. It just tells us that we can add a title right up here. It says we can add labels to our axes, and right here we can change the number of columns. So let's say we just wanted 4 columns, and you can also change the number of rows. Also, one thing that I like is the Parent-Teacher tab also tells you some activities you can do. It says that it's useful to let students categorize collections of familiar objects, and then once a collection has been separated into subcategories and described, students can label the bar chart. So let's just say that our students did an activity. Right here it gives an activity for students to do, which will help fulfill this objectives. And it says that they can collect and record data about personal preferences. So let's say that we ask the students what their favorite food was. So we'll go ahead and title this chart Favorite Foods. So we would teach our students that data charts need to include a title. And then we gave them an option of pizza. The next one would be spaghetti. The next one will say ice cream. And the fourth one, hamburgers. All really healthy food options for the students. And it looks like I don't need the rest of those columns, so we can go ahead and come over here to the columns area and move it down so that we only have 4 columns. And then let's say that from our data we discovered that there were 5 students who liked pizza, only 1 liked spaghetti, 3 of them liked ice cream as their favorite food, and 2 of them liked hamburgers as their favorite food. So as you click on that, it just fills in the data for you. You can also click on these other options. You can go to totals, so it tells you at the top the number of people who liked that food, or you can go to percentages, and that tells you what percentage of the class liked that food. This is really helpful in helping the teacher guide discussion. And then after you do this, you can have the students create their own graphs. So you can give them a paper and markers or crayons and let them go ahead and draw their own graphs. You can even give them homework to go home and do a survey with their family so that they can better learn how to create and analyze data.